LS Fest was important to bring this car to show people. It's one thing to tell somebody that you're going to LS swap a mid-80s supercar. It's another thing to show them, and boy, we showed them. So I went for a ride in a older Datsun 240, and boy, what a fun car. I used to have a 280ZX or ZX, and I love that car. They handled great. It was just a little bit underpowered. Well, this guy, David Carroll, he solved that problem in spades. That thing was a bullet. That was an awesome car to drive, and man, he could wheel it.
Slightly built motor, cam, all the valve train has been built up. We're putting out about 600 at the crank and 540 at the rear wheels.
You ready, Kevin? I'm ready.
I like the stripper glitter. It's very...
When in Vegas, it's stripper glitter. When we're anywhere else, it's the Bass Tracker Z, thanks to Chad Reynolds.
So. You got to. You know, that was my first time in an Ultra 4 car. I've watched them on TV and the stadium trucks and you Baja and all that kind of stuff, and you see these things launch. And you wonder what that feels like when you hit the ground. And I found out. It was like being in a controlled car accident for about 25 minutes. It was great.
Basically, this is an Ultra 4 buggy, so unlimited off-road, four-wheel drive. People ask what rock racing is. You pretty much figure that if you owned a Ferrari and you drove it down a dirt road and destroyed it every time, that's pretty much what we do with these.
You know, LS Fest is the ultimate horsepower festival, and Holley really did their homework on this event. It has everything. Drifting, autocross, cars doing random donuts in the donut hole, vendors. Basically, if you have an LS, it's the place to be. I know I plan on being there every year. First thing, damn.